Welcome to Craft Chocolate TV. My name is Dylan with Manoa Chocolate, and today we're talking about why craft chocolate is so expensive. There's one very big reason it's so expensive. It is because we are craft. We're doing things at a smaller scale. And when you do things at a very large scale, you have very large machines and you're processing very quickly. And it doesn't mean that it's bad or poor quality. It just means that they had way less expense in producing something at huge volumes. Now, generally, craft chocolate is better because we care more about what we're sourcing. Our raw materials are more important, and we are more careful with buying good beans, better cocoa butter, higher quality everything, down to the packaging and the care that goes into it. On a big scale, you can still have only a few people making a lot of chocolate. I have, let's say, 10 people helping me make chocolate. Somebody half our size might also have 10 people making chocolate. Somebody twice as big or 10 times as big might only have 10 people making chocolate. And so this is an economy of scale business, and your price per unit is very linked to the amount of labor that you have. And so if you have a continuous 3-ton roaster in an automated line, you're going to make a tremendous amount of chocolate. And if you start with good beans, you're going to get a good quality product. Now, the challenge is if you're making mass-produced chocolate, you are usually going for a customer base that wants candy. And so the beans that you would start with are less important because you're going to add a lot of sugar, milk powder, other emulsifiers to make your processing easier. And so you're making candy. Not saying there's anything wrong with that. That is the majority of where chocolate ends up, is things like Snickers, Reese's peanut butter cups, Hershey bars. There is a huge market for that and people want it. Ice cream, a huge amount of chocolate goes to ice cream. Craft chocolate is a very small fraction of a very large industry. And we are focused on trying to make the best chocolate in the world. And it's happening at a much smaller scale where it takes a lot more attention to detail. And we are using smaller machines and smaller factories. And we still have a lot of expense in people. And so that is why craft chocolate is more expensive. However, it is generally a better tasting product.